Hi there, welcome. This is Donna, and it is release day over on Whimsy Stamps. I am here with a product release video featuring the Cosmic Swirl background clink stamp. This is a large stamp set made of red rubber mounted on clink foam featuring this kind of fun swirl pattern. This is a very versatile background because it is perfect for not just Christmas, but I think you can use it for other holidays or themes like circus, for example. I'll go ahead and stamp out the image. I am treating my panel with anti-static powder because I will emboss the background with clear embossing powder. And here I'm just going to ink up my background using some pigment ink and go ahead and stamp that out. I am making sure that I have inked up the background well, so I'll go back and forth applying the ink before stamping it down. I do stamp out the image twice just to get a really nice and clear impression of the background before adding clear embossing powder. So the stamp set does stamp out slightly larger than an A2 size card front. It stamps out at about 4.5 across and about 5 3/4 inches in height. So you can trim it down to fit with a finished edged look. I have one card to share with you using the background stamp and the newly released Loads of Cheer clear stamp set. There is a video tutorial for this card coming Monday, October 12th, so stay tuned for that. I encourage you to head on over to the Whimsy Stamps website and see the entire new release, as well as what the other design team members made using the new products. Thank you so much for stopping by today, and I will see you next time.